Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech.
Mm-hmm.
What are we learning about today?
Buncee.
Buncee. So Buncee is what?
It is a place that makes learning fun. It's a creation and presentation tool.
Right. So if you're thinking about representation, it's a great way to put in materials for the framework representation, lots of images, videos, kind of like a PowerPoint of sorts, but a little more dynamic. And kids can use it, and you can even use it to make a book or a presentation, poster, lots of cool things that it allows you to do. Is it free?
It is for free.
Most of it
is
for free.
The part you need is free. So if you go to log in, and if you go to log in, normally you scroll down and there's a Google single sign-on. You can just click sign on with Google, and it'll let you right in. So we're going to create a new Buncee.
You can create folders as well in this.
Yeah. We need to enter a title. So what do we always title things?
Lions.
So we need a background image. We can click here. All types of different ones. You can go through newly added, recently used, trending. You can scroll through a bunch of over here of different types of templates. We're just going to go easy and fast since it is right here. Apply this to this one or to all. You could have multiple slides going over here. And so we'll just say for this one. Then you click the plus, and this is where you can add other things to it. So you have a text option, animation, which is pretty fun. If you go into animation, it gives you different moving images that you can add on here. You can search.
Lots of options on the left as well.
There are no lions.
Yeah, you're going to do cats.
Dog.
Okay, dog.
Okay, so I like this dog, so we're gonna put him in here. He's moving. You can make him bigger or smaller. He's in here. If we want to add other things, you can add YouTube videos, messages, lists, stickers. You can add your files, upload images. You can draw on here. Let's add a YouTube video over lions. Since we said it was about lions. This looks like a great one. We're going to put it in here. We're going to make it bigger so it's more prominent. We can add other pages on here. So this could be like a storybook that your kids create online. And then when you're done, you can click view to see what it looks like. Your first slide will come up here. If there's an image or a video, you can play it. And then you just slide over to go to the next page.
Notice there's options on here too for autoplay or looping.
Yes.
If you have it in front of the class. Yep.
And then you can download it, or there are multiple ways you can share. You can share it with someone via the link. You can embed it into its learning.
Yep. You can email it if you want, if you need to send it out to parents. And there's also a download option as well. PDF obviously wouldn't make it interactive, so you do lose some of that, and it's an added feature. But I would definitely share it via the link or embed it within within its learning. All right.
Awesome.
That's Buncee.
Anything else?
Nope. Thanks for sharing.
Happy Friday.